A lefty, UMinn Lynn, sporting a baby blue mitt, will face Logan Cerny, the right-handed center fielder. The first pitch is going to miss a bit outside. Is the righty to pull. The 1-0 delivery. Cerny swings and misses. That one was downstairs.
Dynamic of stuff off that left arm.
1-1 delivery. This ball is scorched up the middle. It's a dying ball, diving catch from Kevin Graham in left field. He had to come in on that one, and what a beautiful start to the game.
Yeah, that was a great play by Kevin Graham. A line drive into left center field gap. That looked like it was going to get down for sure, but Kevin Graham has done a masterful job playing defense out there in left field. Our High Plains Chiropractic defensive alignment: Graham in left, Vukovic in center, Robinson in right, Valdez and Melendez on the corners of the infield, Weber and Walters up the middle, and Caleb Roberts catching for UMinn Lynn.
Bryce Matthews at the plate. He'll take strike one, a fastball on the to pull. Here's the delivery, and it misses up. 1-1. Top of the first, no score. UMinn Lynn's pitch, breaking ball right down the middle, 1-2 pitches that he has. 1-2 pitch. Scorched to left center field. It's going to send Vukovic on his horse. He's going to have to play this off the wall, and he's not going to have a play at all. It's over the wall. The Sod Poodles have hammered 10 home runs this homestand so far. Just one for the Hooks. Now make it 2. Bryce Matthews crunched his 7th of the year.
Yeah, that was a great swing. Hit it out to left center on a line. That was a no-doubter.
The Astros, first pitch to him. He'll take a changeup outside at the single A level. 1-0 pitch is a cutter.
Been a little bit unlucky this week.
1-1 pitch, and he'll swing and miss. Beautiful changeup. He was way out in front. Wines, deals, and it's in the dirt, blocked by Caleb Roberts. 2-2 pitch. Just a bit high. 3
to say the least.
Payoff pitch to Baez. He'll swing and miss. First strikeout of the day for UMinn Lynn. Brought to you by Optimum. There's 2 outs.
Just a great response from UMinn.
That's that changeup, Stefan. Go Jr., a switch hitter, will bat from the right side. First pitch to him is a breaking ball that batting .241 this season. Here's the pitch to him, and it's going to miss down. He's got a 2-0 count. Still in front of the pitcher's mound. 2-0 pitch. Fastball misses up. 3-0. Jr. has the green light. Here's the pitch. And he missed downstairs. Sacco Jr. was taking all the way. It's the first walk of the game and the second base runner. So a runner at first now with 2 outs here in the top of the first inning. 1-0. Lynn working out of the stretch for the first time. His first pitch will miss upstairs, and that's... Well, Lynn's got to get back into a rhythm. He'll do that right there. A cutter right down the middle.
The same repertoire.
On the move is Sacco Jr. Roberts will fire to second. The throw is not in time. Beautiful slide to the back corner. A bit behind in counts. Here's his 2-1 pitch. It's a curveball, and it's stayed. Lynn set, checks to second. Here's his pitch, and he'll blow a fastball right by Palma. Even here, it's so biased. Here's the 3-2 pitch. Fastball swung on and missed. UMinn Lynn picks up a pair of strikeouts in the 2024 campaign. First pitch from the lefty, swing and a miss. Fastball down and away. 0-1 pitch to Ferreras. That's a changeup that missed. Wines, 1-1 pitch on the way. Swinging a chopper towards third, but it's just going to be a couple feet foul. Dermott. 1-2 delivery to Ferreras. Swing and a foul ball.
Ferreras making him work here early.
1-2 delivery, fastball inside, 2-2. And Lynn's 2-2 pitch popped up on the infield in foul territory, but the wind's going to push this 100 pitches in 3 of his last 4 outings. Here's his 2-2 pitch. It's a changeup outside, 3-2. It racks up a lot of strikeouts. Here's the 3-2 pitch, fought off towards our booth down the right field line. Payoff pitch again, swing and a miss. 3rd strikeout of the game for UMinn Lynn. The Sod Poodles will throw it around. Brought to you by Optimum. It was about 9 or 10 pitches to earn that one, though.
Up in the zone. And when in doubt, you climb the ladder. Usually considering balls up can get punished.
Jeremy Orocho at the plate. He's first pitch swinging. He'll foul it straight back. He's 17. 0-1 pitch. Changeup outside. And the last beyond the pitcher's mound now. Scorched to left field. It'll send Kevin Graham back. He's at the wall. He looks up. It's into the bar. A home run for Jeremy Orocho, the 2nd home run of the game for the Hooks. It's 2-0.
I think that might have gotten a piece of one of the bartenders in there.
Or a drink. I thought I saw something flying a little bit.
Not sure. We'll see on the replay. Hope everybody's okay, but the ball's
Poodles good for Jeremy Orocho. Rolando Espinosa at the plate. Another right-handed hitter will
feel right now than it has been.
0-1 pitch. Curveball way out in front.
In hitting, you're not worried at all.
0-2 pitch. 3-pitch strikeout for Yu-Min Lin. That's his 4th of the game.
There's a reason for that. You look at the splits.
First pitch to Encarnacion fouled straight back.
Lefty's batting 182.
All over him this season. 0-1 pitch. Fastball catches the inside corner. Beautiful. And has the sign. 0-2 pitch on the way. Breaking ball. It's chopped up the middle. Fielding it at second base and throwing to first on the run is Gene Walters for the final out of the inning. The Sod Poodles for the second straight inning.
7 innings without allowing a hit. Won 4-1 on Wednesday night. 2-0. The Hooks lead. And the 0-1 is grounded to the right side behind the second base bag. Walters will collect and throw to first. So, Wendy, welcome to the booth.
And it's time for a new roof. We've been having some leaks and different things.
1-0 pitch is a strike to Bryce Matt. New roof. As you prepare to celebrate your 50th year in 2026, 1-1 pitch fouled back. 1-2 pitch. Hit in the air, high and deep to left center. Kevin Graham moving back. He's still going to the track and wall. He can't make the play. It's out of his glove. Matthews will round second. Vukovic airmails a throw into the cutoff man Weber. And now Matthews has a home run and a...
Reflecting and celebrating the different aspects of our community.
Luis Baez up.
We're actually winning a national award for that in the coming weeks.
Infield in, curveball from Lin at the Discovery Center. 0-2 pitch, and Baez is retired. Yu-Min Lin going with breaking ball after breaking ball. He's up to now 5 strikeouts on the game, and Bryce Matthews has to stay put at third with 2 away.
The first thing is following us on social media. We're always posting on Facebook and families all throughout the area, so any donation helps.
0-1 quickly to 0-2. Yu-Min with one more pitch here. The 0-2. Sacco will spin that into the right-hand bat. 5 million to 2.
So, yeah.
Well, that works. 0-2 pitch. And a swing and a miss. Roberts applies the tag, and Yu-Min Lin leaves a runner stranded at third. It stays 2-0. Wendy, thanks so much for joining us. Please check out the Don Harrington Discovery Center and all the new improvements.
Thank
you. Work through 5 through 7. And a fastball. His last time up. 0-1. There's that curveball. 1-1. Down and in, a cutter. Lin's 2-1 wind-up and pitch is hitting the air to right center. Robinson was playing in. Vukovic ranges back, but will make the catch for the first out of the inning. One of the huge advantages.
Them going, accelerating.
Pascal Ferreras swings at the first pitch. That's teed up right to center, though. And A.J. Vukovic hardly has to out too much. Now Jeremy Orocho hit his first home run of the season. His last trip will take...
Same topic.
1-0. Good pitch from Yu-Min.
The starting pitchers would have to go a mandatory 6 innings.
1-1 is a curveball outside. Home run from Orocho was his first hit of the series, and now he's ahead and it couldn't be more different than Hodgetown. 3-1. And Lin misses just a bit outside. Close call. Espinosa up and taking. 1-0 pitch. Again, up and in. 2 balls.
Just got ridiculous stuff.
2-0 and arm side miss. See if he swings here on 3-0. And he will. He'll punish this baseball. Left center field. Vukovic turns, looks up, and he's going to watch that go. 3-0 green light, and boy did it work out for him. A 2-run blast. It's 4-0 Corpus.
Just a great swing, Stefan. If you're going to take a hack 3-0, make it a good one, and he certainly did. You got to go over the plate if you're Lin. Challenge defending into a couple runs.
Washes away the potential for a quality start. There's a diamond hitting home runs the first 2 games. It's been all hooks. And Encarnacion will slap one the other way. Robinson makes the catch, but 2 more runs for the Hooks. A 2-run home run.
1-1. Zach Goodman, Stephen Carey here up in the booth. Game number 3 between the Hooks and the Sod Poodles. 4th to last series of the year. 1-1 pitch, swinging a foul ball straight back. Big windup, here's his pitch. Change up, swing and a miss. Beautiful pitch from Yu-Min Lin. Another strikeout for him. It's his 7th of the game. Brought to you by Optimum. Lynn's given up 4 runs on just 4 hits. All 4 of those hits have been extra bases. First pitch to the righty. He'll take that one inside. The shortstop has been more impressive at 1-0 pitch, and it's just going to miss a little bit down. It was at the ballpark. 2-0 delivery. Blows it right by him. Try to do something special. 2-1 pitch. Misses outside, 3-1. Another nice 1 delivery on the way. Cutter right down the middle, foul. Lifts, deals. Matthews hits this on the ground towards short. In a couple hops, it bounces off the glove of Andy Weber. It's going to be an error by the shortstop, and Matthews will reach.
Over there.
Luis Baez at the plate, the big righty, will take ball 1. It's at his eyes. 1-0. Lynn set, working out of the stretch. He'll lift and deliver a pick over to first base. It's 1-0. 3 games behind them is Arkansas, 27-20. This ball's punched on the ground, fielded by Weber. Backhand to second. Walters to first, a double play. Beautiful play.
Look at that.
RBI hit.
Popped up by Palma. Foul territory near the Sod Poodles dugout. Caleb Roberts loses his mask, calls off Valdez, and makes the catch on the for the big club. Pascal Ferreras, the righty at the plate. First pitch to him is Stro. 1-0 pitch. It's going to miss upstairs, 1-1. Runner at 2 other times. 2-0 pitch. It misses outside, 3-0.
It's the guy you need to pitch to with the next guys coming up.
3-0 pitch, and it's outside. So a 4-pitch walk to Ferreras will put runners at first and second with just 1 out. Sod Poodles really need to minimize the damage and give their offense an opportunity to come back. Tim Bogar is going to strut out to the mound and make a pitching change. So Yumin Lindsay is going to be done after 5 1/3. He's given up 4 runs, and he's responsible for the runners at first and second. We'll be back after the pitching change.
This call to the bullpen is sponsored by Rosa's Cafe. Rosa's is a proud sponsor of the Sod Poodles, and we're proud to serve Amarillo. From our world-famous mesquite grilled fajitas and warm flour tortillas, to our homemade chocolate cake and those awesome Taco Tuesdays,